If you have any doubts about the airtightness of your Pneumatic Pro, perform a pneumatic test to make sure that there's no air leakage. To do this, select Auto Test from the settings page on the screen. The first test phase, pressurization. This step ensures that the compressors are operating correctly and are performing well. The second test phase, stabilization and leakage detection. Stabilization stabilizes the pressure in the Pneumatic Pro, and leakage detection verifies the airtightness of the pneumatic circuit. The third test phase, depressurization. This step is used to check that the safety system is working properly. To help you analyze the results, you can send a picture of the test screen to Pneumatic Technical Support. Press OK to stop the test. If a persistent anomaly is detected, contact Pneumac's after-sales service to carry out a complete test of your device.